Okay, a little bit of point of view for you. Take my Lumix FC300. We'll wait till he turns his head a little bit. There it is. Boom, baby. We'll back up a little bit. Get the mallards in front. Oh yeah. Waterfall in back. Let's see if we can just get on his head. Oh yeah, that's a good shot. Okay, come on, turn your head back. Turn your head back. Let's see your beak. There it is. Boom, baby. A lot of trees, a lot of birds in the tree. And I don't see too many turtles sitting out today, so that's a bummer. There's a couple over there, kind of backlit. There's one in the tree. It's got a dragonfly. Shoot, it turned. That's a good one. It's a bit of a silhouette, but it's a good one. And you can see way over in the distance, there's a golf course across the road. And that's where I'm going to be heading out there. Take some pictures of the birds. We'll see how they look. They like to sit on the rocks. Maybe there's some turtles over there. I don't know. If I see any cars coming by, I'll just snap a picture of that. Now with this oh, there's a beautiful bird. Just beautiful. I don't know if I can see, he keeps taking off. Once he gets over to the rocks though, I should be able to catch him with a green background. Oh, there he is. Beautiful. Let's check this out. Keeps taking off. He's scared, and I can't say I blame him. Some of the waterfalls. Here's what the park looks like. A wide shot of the park. Let's see if we can zoom in on that crane over there. There we go. It's a little bright, but in post we can take care of that. And over there's a baseball diamond. And here we got a picnic area. There's barbecues there. You can use them. I'm getting closer to that crane. And I got him. He knows I'm following him somehow. There's another shot. Oh, turned his head. Turn back this way, bud. There you go. And you don't have to have a reason to go out and shoot pictures. You just have to enjoy doing it. And he's kind of just in the sunlight and everything else is in the shadows. There he is. What a good shot. And this one's in the shadow. You can see the difference, right? He's in the sun, he's in the shadow, and we'll put both pictures up. Okay? And you'll see what the difference is. This is just an awesome shot. It's almost like the water is blacked right out. Let's see, if I do this and bring it with the 2/3 stop, that's maybe a little bit better. Let's wait till he gets his head up. There it is. But you just have to go slow and take some pictures. Sun at your back. There's that crane. I want to really get that crane. There he is. I'll take one here, this duck, kind of through the, get his head turned right. There we go. Oh, he's sitting perfect. He's sitting perfect, guys. Oh, come on. There he is. Get the reflection. Put him on the thirds. Sweet shot. Sweet shot. I do like it a little bit darker. Oops. Sometimes you click a crappy one. There's a better shot of the crane. Just nice to go out, take some pictures. Thank God I've got a big zoom on this thing. I gotta bring this down. There's a mallard. See him? Got the green head, but you gotta get it with the right sunlight. There you go. You get the green head. Okay, we're going to go for a reflection here. There's a good one. Searching for him. There he is. See? That looks better this way, though, I think. And here's a wide angle of the park. Very pretty park.